Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna go through some Pepe Coin charts right now guys. Now as we can see, finally we've seen a green daily candle close here on Pepe Coin right now guys. After we have those 4 daily red candles closing after this high we've seen now here, after we get rejected from this high time frame resistance, and if you've seen my previous Pepe Coin video right now, we were discussing the fact that if this is another lower high like the one here and the one here, and basically we've seen that previous high here or this previous lower high, we've had 3 daily candles closing red with some sort of a follow through. They were all going down, straight down with no stops. Now here the situation is different, as we can see guys here on Pepe Coin. As you've seen my previous Pepe Coin video, we were looking at this support right now here guys. On the lower time frames we can see that Pepe Coin here has found some sort of a support, and now we are actually bouncing from it. We can see we have finally a green daily close above that support, and since we've had this head and shoulder breakout guys, we've had it, now we hit the target which got us right into that higher time frame resistance, and it's looking right now guys that Pepe Coin might be going for another try again. We might be going for another try towards that resistance again. Something as well interesting here guys is this is the 4-hour chart, and we still seeing Pepe Coin here trying to reclaim back towards these levels here, towards around that 74 level. Now this would be a nice place here to reclaim for us to see higher prices here on Pepe Coin. Now Bitcoin has done the same thing now guys. If we go back to Bitcoin, Bitcoin had the same thing going on here, but usually Bitcoin is the leader and then altcoins follow. As you can see guys here, when Bitcoin broke down recently from that high, from that 28,500, from that recent high, we had a drop. So if we look at this price action here guys, it's very much close to the price action here that Bitcoin been having. And if we look at the time when this happened guys, this was exactly the high, that's 28,500, that happened on the 2nd of October. Exactly the same high here guys on Pepe Coin that happened as well on the 2nd of October. So you can see right now guys, Pepe Coin here is still on these lows that Bitcoin now has broken out from. So we can see here Bitcoin has broken out from these lows right now, and we're slightly above them now. If we can look at Bitcoin, is right above them right now guys. We can see it's some sort of a support right now. So this is guys what I always say, Bitcoin is that leading indicator for altcoins. Usually Bitcoin dumps and then altcoins as well dump, but they do not recover as quickly as Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually recovers the first, or is the first to recover usually. So we can see now Bitcoin as well is in that local support, and we need as well Bitcoin here to break out. So Monday's price action here on Bitcoin is gonna be very important on what's gonna happen as well here on Pepe Coin. But nonetheless guys, we can see the same price action played out on Bitcoin, same patterns, and once we broke above that level, we broke out, held, and then we seen the price moving up. So this is the same thing that we could see as well guys here playing on Pepe Coin, something like this, going back up, hold here, and then we send it right back up to the highs. As we can see here now, Bitcoin is going toward taking again that previous high, that 28,500, this highs here. This high is here, we are going toward it now, slowly grinding toward it now. Higher high, higher lows on the local time frames here on Bitcoin. We could see it now taking this high, which as well means guys we're gonna see the same pattern playing on Pepe Coin right now. So Pepe Coin needs to break above that 74, which is so far looking like it is gonna do that. Now if you remember guys, I told you as well, we need Pepe Coin to sweep these lows here, and which we did right now. We did that and we came back, which is the first sign of strength, and then we do this. So that's my plan here. That's what I am thinking is gonna happen here next here on Pepe Coin guys. So now we'll let the weekend price action pass, and we'll see on Monday what's gonna happen. So remember guys, I will always keep you updated. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and if you enjoy these type of videos, please don't forget to leave a like as well. And I'll advise you go watch this previous video I made here about the upcoming alt season. It's very important right now guys to be aware of what's gonna happen here next, and to be prepared and ready for the next alt season. Alright guys, so I hope this technical analysis on Pepe Coin was helpful, and remember, as always, this is my humble opinion here and nothing is financial advice. I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy your weekends. Cheers.